Hi everyone, in this video, if you are looking for how to turn on sleep mode in Instagram, then it is very simple and very easy. First, you need to open your Instagram, and then on the bottom right side, you need to click on your profile picture, and after that click on the three lines, click on that, and then go to the time management. Click on that, and you will see that there is a sleep mode. Click on this arrow, and here you can see that the sleep mode is off right now. Click on the toggle bar to the turn on, and be noted that your notification will be muted during the time you choose. People will see that you are in sleep mode, so here you need to set your time. So once you set your sleep time, then click on save. So in this way you can easily turn on sleep mode. So I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.